Hi there, in today's unboxing we have the iPhone 12 Pro Max. Now this is one of the most revolutionary devices that Apple has released in after say 2 years I believe, because of the delay, the COVID-19 and all. So what specialty is there in this iPhone 12 Pro Max? So in today's video, I believe so you guys have seen the description in the video and clicked on it, so you know what I'll be unboxing today. So the main features of iPhone 12 are the 5G, capability, the speeds that 5G provides. But here in India, we don't have 5G yet. Maybe in these coming days, or in this coming year, we might receive 5G. Other than that, it has the iPhone, the iOS 14 with the 14 5 nanometer chip and all the specs. I'll get into all those things in a dedicated review video. So in this video, I'm just going to do the unboxing and tell you a brief about how the camera and everything is there. Now over to the unboxing. Now, as you saw in the unboxing, the device is beautiful to hold. It is slim, it's sleek, and it's lovely to use. Now, with this device, there are a lot of things that comes as a package with it, and one of the things is the fingerprint magnet feel on that surgical grade stainless steel. So that is one thing to note when you're using the device. And it has the 6.7 inch, the biggest display in the iPhone ever built. And it has the notch. As we know, we have the Face ID for it. So that is the complete overview of the device, and we have 3 cameras and then the LiDAR sensor. Now, talking about the camera, Apple has 3 main cameras. So that is the ultra wide with 12 all the 3 cameras with 12 megapixels, the wide and the telephoto. Now, before we talk about that, this body, oh my god, this is so nice to hold. I mean, it gives you that 5 SE, the first SE, Apple SE's feel and look into it. Now, about the camera, once again, it has 3 cameras, 12 megapixels each, and ultra wide, wide, and telephoto, and the ultra wide with 120 degrees of standard field. And to check the storage of the device, the storage of the device is about 256 gigs. So that's the variant that we got for reviewing it. So in that, about 10 hardly 10 to 15 GB is used for the system. And mainly the back is frosted, so it has a matte finish and a smooth matte finish in the back. Now take a look at all the pictures that I took with the wide, the ultra wide, the close-up, portrait. So it's an amazing feel to take pictures in this. So there are some portraits that I took, I really liked how it really looked. So these are the pictures, and this is a small short video that I took in 4K from the back facing camera. And this is a small photo that I edited after I took the picture. And here are some more pictures. Here are some videos that I took. So this is the front camera, and I just wanted to take the small recording to show how the front camera looks. I believe this is how it looks in the back camera, and I'm shaking the video, but still it looks really nice. And I'll give you a complete overview of how the device is, and a complete review on if you have to buy the device. If you're an Apple fan or a Windows fan, I'll get through all those topics that are normally. So the device gets pretty loud, as you see. And now for some gaming. So as we all know, we have Among Us, one of the world's topest games now. So playing Among Us, it was really nice. The first expression or the first impressions on playing the game, it was pretty smooth for a 60 Hz. I mean, Apple does really good with its processor and all. Now that you've seen the unboxing of the iPhone 12 Pro Max, I just want to ponder over some main features of the device. Now, as you know, in this year, iPhone has not just stuck with the 12 Pro and the 12 Pro Max to be the same specs, but then they have boosted a little more because of the the space that they got in the device. So we have a shifter sensor for the camera, which is more fast and efficient, and also there are a couple of things that are very outstanding, very much outstanding compared to other devices. It has a more boxier feel. The speaker grills are bigger compared to all the other 12 Pro devices and the 12 devices mini compared to all the devices. And in complete overview, the software is really smooth. Although we do not have 60 Hz this time, we do not have 120 Hz this time. We have 60 Hz. But I should say that after using 90 Hz and using this, I don't feel much difference. Maybe because it's the software that it's so fluid and so cleaner. The Face ID, we do not have a fingerprint. I mean, everybody expected to have a fingerprint this year because of the situations around the world. But this year, Apple still stuck with the Face ID. But I should say that Face ID is not bad at all. So even it has that very fast, smooth Face ID for unlocking and amazing features. Now, as you know, if you're a techie, you would know that this year Apple has gone with the square of edges and made the phone more slimmer than the previous years. And the battery is they should have actually increased the battery, but then they had to downgrade it to 3696 mAh, I believe so. So that is the only thing that Apple is from the previous generation. They just went one step behind. Other than that, everything else from the software, camera, the hand, the complete overhaul in the design, it's amazing to hold. Now, if you really enjoy what you're looking at, please do hit the subscribe button and hit the notification so that you may get updated on every video that I release. And catch you in the next one. Bye.